Okay, I'm in Indonesia, and I thought it'd be good if we got a water heater. And so, uh, it doesn't really get cold, but uh, a lot of people they feel like it's too cold to take a shower uh, at night or in the morning. And it is kind of cold sometimes, especially with the rain. So I thought it'd be nice if we got a hot water heater. This is the hot water heater we got from Ace Hardware. So we got the big one, and it's a Acroz water heater, and uh, at Ace Hardware. So it's a recommended one, except bigger. So we should be able to take 2 showers, and it gets really hot. Uh, and it was like 150 or $200. Except then I didn't know how to do it, or I could have done it. I've never done plumbing, but there's a whole setup. It's not like the dryer. So there are all these expensive parts, really complicated, and we got two hot and a cold. So what happens is it mixes here. It mixes the hot and the cold. So I haven't been living here that long. The tools would be really expensive. So we paid it's good. We paid the plumber to put the hot water heater in so we can take warm showers. And then so it was like $150, $200. But after all the parts and the help, it was like after all the supplies and materials and the help, it was like $400 or $600. So if you really need a hot water heater, you could get one, and it will help you not having to boil, and then you can get up at night or in the morning and feel good about taking a warm shower. But I would say the dryer, the $400 dryer that's easy to put in, will save you a lot more work and stress than the hot water heater. But the hot water heater is nice, and I would say it'll benefit and feel good for us, hopefully for a while. So inshallah, it's good. And so I would say if you in Indonesia and you have a house and stuff, I would say the dryer is really, really good. We're really happy about the dryer. I think the hot water heater will be good, but it's not maybe won't save as much work or stress for the money it's worth, depending on how much money you have. But like I would say everyone in Indonesia should make an effort. If you have a washer, should make an effort to get a dryer. It's just that worth it. But the hot water heater, it's nice, it's helpful, but it's won't save as much work, and maybe it's not quite as essential. But I'm sure me and my wife will like the hot water heater, and my kid, and so it definitely saves some stress, being able to wake up and take a warm shower, or at night when the rain's cold. So that's my review. Oh, the name, it's a Acroz water heater from Ace Hardware. That's my review, is to go out and get the $400 aqua dryer. If you can afford the hot water heater, I'm not sure we could really afford it, but it's probably worth it. I still think it's going to be worth it. But just make sure you put mercy. Think of mercy first. Have your priorities straight. Uh, like the amount of work and stress that a clothes dryer is gonna save, compared to like a $1,000 TV or cell phone. It's just like it's like you're almost killing yourself with these cell phones, right? And TVs, because now we just throw our clothes in the dryer and at night, and everyone feels good about it. It's just so much less work, and it's gonna feel nice to have the hot the hot water heater. So that's my review of the hot water heater. I give it a 4, 4 minus. So yeah.